In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry videos on YouTube. Now, if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now, sometimes we always open videos on YouTube and they always appear to be blurry. So I'm going to show you how you can fix or remove that blurriness on the YouTube videos. So the first thing you need to do is to go and open your YouTube. So I'm going to use this video as an example. If you've already opened the video, you are going to see that settings icon on the top right of the video. So if you tap on it, it's going to lead you here. So you are going to see quality. So tap on quality. Then you can choose higher picture quality. Then the quality of the video will change to a higher picture quality. But if you want to go to advanced, again you will tap on the settings icon. Then you will tap on quality. Then you will tap on advanced. Then here you can change the quality for the video. For you to have the best quality video, then you need to choose 1080. You are going to use more data. So if you choose 1080, the quality of your video is going to change and it's going to remove that blurry on the video. So that's it guys. That's how you can simply fix blurry videos on YouTube. So if you found value from this video, please consider to hit the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it guys. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.